Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Job Panda. Today's job notification is from Bihar Lok Seva Ayog, and the advertisement number is this 11/2020. It's valid for the post of assistant professor under BPSC, and there are various branches. Number of posts are quite large, that is 287 posts are total, and this is the division on the basis of the various reservation. And this is the official website of BPSC, www.bpsc.bih.nic.in. Okay, so let's go through this. What are the various criteria, and final year are applicable, are eligible to fill it or not, and what are the application fees, or hard copies are need to send or not. So I will question all your queries in this video. So these are the number of posts. For general it is 116, for EWS 29, for SC 45, for ST 3, for OBC 50, and for OBC women it is 09. Okay, and these are the 35% weightage is given to women category. So this is also the reservation. So total number of posts are 287, and 96 is the this 30 under the this quota given to women, 35%, and the freedom fighter quota is also there, and total number of posts are 05 for freedom fighter. Then here comes the PH quota, and for various categories under PH these are the number of seats reserved, and this is the salary. Education qualification is BE BTech, and ME MTech means you need to have post graduation with graduation. And one important thing is that first class degree is required, and it is this notification is basically for electrical engineers. So you need to have BE BTech in electrical engineering, and postgraduate, that is MTech in electrical engineering. And if you have done from distant mode and open university, then it is not allowed. Last date to fill this form is 14/8/2020, and there is no age limit. Minimum age limit is 22, and maximum age limit is they have not defined. And this is the detailed procedure how they are going to select you. They will give you 10% of marks obtained by you on MTech. Suppose if you have scored 75% in MTech, then then they will add 7.5%, 7.5 marks, okay, out of 10. And in the same way for BTech, they will take 5%. They will take 5% of your marks scored in BTech, and if you are a PhD holder, then you will get 5 marks. And there is one another thing is, if you are already working on the contract basis in the Department of Science and Technology, then you will be provided with 5 marks per year, depends upon the how much from how much year you are teaching in the Department of Science and Technology. If for 1 year, they will give you 5 marks, and the maximum marks you can get through this is 25 marks. The next important thing is that all will be selected on the basis of written test. The syllabus of the written test will be of GATE, and after the written test there will be an interview. And the detailed PDF and this website link, apply link, all I will provide on description box of this video, so you can check that all these details from description box. I will provide the PDF link. The examination fees, that is the fees for filling the form, is 750 for general, 200 for SC ST, for women it is 200, for PH it is 200, and for rest it is 750. So there are 750, 200, 200 and 200 depending upon the category on which you fall. And the submission of form will be online, and these are some important dates. Registration date is 13/7/2020 and it will end on 30/7/2020. You can pay, the last date to pay the fee is 7/8/2020 and last date to fill this form is 14/8/2020. Okay, you have to send the hard copy of all the documents. I will tell in the later section of this video what are the documents required by BPSC. You have to send the hard copy to them and the last date for that is 24 August 2020. And if you have done the registration, like today if you have done the registration, then the next day at 11 a.m. they will make your online payment link available to you. So you have to wait for one day, at least for one day, for the next day. On the same date you cannot fill the form and pay the fee. This is the guidelines for sending the documents. These are the list of the document, like you have this 10th certificate, degree, and your mark sheet certificate, and your post graduation mark sheet and certificate, your PhD certificate. So these are the list of the thing which you have to send, and they have also provided the address. Address is like this: Bihar Lok Seva Ayog, 15 Jawaharlal Nehru Marg, Bareilly Road, Patna. And the last date to receive these documents is 24 August 2020. And this is the official website from which I will provide all these links in the description box. So this is the opportunity for the electrical engineers where they can apply under the Bihar Public Service Commission for the post of assistant professor. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.